Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, for example this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to edit. Now let's tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle and you can choose something from the device photos. Here we've got our gallery, or we can tap on the camera app, so on the camera icon, so your device will open the camera app, you can take a photo right away, or tap on illustrations, and here we've got some online options. They are free of charge, so you can find something suitable and set it as the contact photo. I'll choose something from the gallery, so let me tap on it. Maybe not here. Maybe here. Let's tap on the option, and here in this step you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So after positioning, just tap on choose and it will be immediately applied. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got our photo on the contact. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.